Hey, how's it going, guys? Jonathan Glazer here again, and this video I'm going to show you how to use hashtags in your YouTube videos that's going to get more views um, and leads and sales. So that's the whole point of promoting on YouTube, is obviously getting more views, because more views is going to rank your video better. So I want you to take a look right down here, and you're going to see that there's a new feature you may have noticed, which is hashtags. So I'm going to show you first how to put those into your videos, which is super simple. It's done in your description. So what you'll do is you'll come to here and you're going to click edit video, and this will be done in your description part, so you're not really going to need to edit it, but if you have other videos out there, this is how you're going to do it. But this just make sure that this is part of the process of uploading, so always add these hashtags to your description when you're uploading the video. So what you'll do is you just add them right at the end here. So they're going to go right there. As you can see, they're going to go right at the end of your video. So you can put in it as many as you want, really, but what's going to happen is the top 3 are the ones that are going to be clickable and seen. So if you have other videos in that niche, you want to make sure that you know the top keywords that people are searching for in that niche, and then you're going to use those. So it's really simple. Just do some keyword research. You can always go up here to the search bar and type in CPA, and then it's going to suggest which ones are good, and then you can just kind of pick out which ones that is in your niche that's going to get the most views. So, and if you want to know what a plugin I'm using, you can actually click the link below, get the guide, and then you're going to get even more YouTube training, how to set up your channel, create your videos and all that, and then you'll have the option to purchase a course, and it's only going to be, I think it's no more than $13. Very, very good stuff, and it's going to show you how to do all these keyword researches that's actually going to get you ranked. So that's pretty much it. It goes at the end of your description, hashtag, and then always use the top 3 keywords, and then it's going to show you when you click on the video, when people click on your video, they're going to see those hashtags, and what they're going to do is, if they click on the hashtag, it's going to bring them to another it's going to bring them to that section. So whatever that section is, that's where it's going to be. So as soon as this loads, I'll show you that. Okay, so we'll just click on this hashtag right here, how to promote CPA offers. It's a very popular one in that niche. So it's going to bring us there, and then you're going to see this is where it brings you. So depending on what how many videos you've done, if they're all in the same niche, now your viewer is going to come here and he's going to see more videos from you. So one, you're going to establish yourself more as an authority in that niche, and they're going to be more likely to click the link and go through your sales funnel if you have one set up or anything like that, or just purchase from the sales page if that's what you have there. Either way, you're going to see all the videos here, and as not a lot of people right now are using this method, so it's wide open. So be sure to add those hashtags to your videos. Go back into your old ones if you have to. Pick the top 3 in your niche. So just be sure to do your keyword research, see which ones get the most views, which people are searching for the most, and then add those to into your description. It's really that simple. So you're going to get more views, more leads, more sales. So that's it for this video. be sure to subscribe to this channel and click the link below. Download your YouTube guide if you haven't already. And I'll talk to you soon. Have an awesome day.